Let's talk about our Dash product. Dash is a permanent polymer ceramic hybrid. It's a sealer, a low glare product, and a permanent sealer. It will become part of this surface. It'll get down into the substrate and will be a lifetime protective seal. Now, it may not be for everybody. So the couple aspects to understand with Dash: apply it to a cool surface, completely clean surface. You don't want a lot of air movement. I usually keep the other doors closed, maybe one door open for a slow dry time. And with those factors covered, you just wipe it on, as I will show you. But the caveat: if you've been using other protectants, Dash will not be for you. If you've been using silicone type products or something else, that stuff will penetrate into the surface, and unfortunately that stuff's full of solvents, active solvents, so it's really a bad idea. But because of that, it gets down into the surface, and on the interior of a car, it's a big deal because you often can't get it all back out. Exterior, most of these products are designed to fail. They're gone pretty quickly. Interior, what we've done with this one is it's never seen any type of product like that. Again, working on my neighbor's car, Regina. So we used a general detergent and gave it a wipe. And we're following that up with a glass cleaner. Glass cleaner will not leave any detergent residue. So what you've got is a perfectly clean plastic surface. There's nothing there, can't feel anything. The Dash will soak in. And with the other Renew Protect products, first coat will not give you shine. It's not designed for shine. You want shine, which I don't recommend on the interior Dash, maybe the other aspects of the interior. 2 coats. But today, 1 coat for the lifetime of this car. Again, perfectly clean plastics. Nothing's been applied to this in past, so we're in good shape. Let's seal it up. And one more note about our Dash product before we seal this up. Let's tell you, it is designed for plastic rubber vinyl. That is a textured porous plastic like this, not that. Not that. That is a acrylic polished hard plastic. What we do at the shop, just a little trick to let you know, spray detailer is a quick and easy way to clean and seal these surfaces and keep the fingerprinting down. So now we're going to seal our softer, I call it our soft surface plastics, porous plastics with Dash. So first step, shake it up. Second step, read the directions. Comes with 2 applicator options. Small, hard to get to little spots. I like that. Typically for the Dash and door panels, larger panels, I use this. And I will semi-saturate half of this. I will show you. Let me get to it. All right, our pad is, I would say, semi-saturated. So now it's just a matter of wiping it on. So as I'm wiping it on, well, I'm going to break my own rules right here. I stopped. You do not want to stop. You want a slow dry time. Doors are closed, except for my passenger side door. You want to keep moving. That's going to dry. Leave it alone. It kind of works like a stain. Just wipe it on evenly, smoothly. Move on down the line. So let me keep moving before that dries. And if it does so, it may leave a noticeable line there. Sometimes you may end up with a result like that on the first coat, which means it really soaked it in. The plastics really needed it. And to even that out, we will just wipe on another light coat, but we will keep it light so the level of gloss stays low shine, but it's still drying. That may level out. Everywhere else it has done so.